Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English where we learn and practice English language. In this video, we are going to explore a very important word, biography. We will understand its meaning, context, and we will use it in a very short story as well. So dive into the video. Can anyone tell me what it means? If you are unsure about the meaning, then you should watch this video till the end. A biography is a story of someone's life. It tells us about important events, experiences, and achievements of a person. The biography word comes from two Greek words, bios, which means life, and graphin, which means to write. So, biography is a written account of someone's life. So, biography equals life and graphin equals to write. Biographies can be about anyone, famous people like scientists, artists, or even everyday people with interesting stories. Biography help us understand who these people were, what they did, and how they made a difference in the world. Let me give you an example. Do you know who Helen Keller was? Yes, she was deaf and blind, but she learned to communicate and become very famous. If I talk about the biography of Helen Keller, so it would tell us about how she born healthy and lost her sight and hearing at the very young age when she was very young, about 19 years old. It will tell us about her amazing teacher, Annie Sullivan, who taught her how to read and write using Braille. Later, she went on to graduate from a college and she became a successful author and speaker, inspiring many people all over the world. So remember, biography is more than just dates and facts. It's a story of a person's life, their struggles, their achievements, and the impact on the world. Everyone has their story worth telling, including you. So, this was the lesson for today. If you learn something from this video and if you want to improve your English, then you can subscribe this channel and you can join me and let's learn this language together.